In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a no signal or black screen issue on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is pretty simple, but the first thing that you're going to want to do is just check your HDMI and power. If you are using a Fire Stick, try switching to a different HDMI port. Just unplug the Fire TV or Fire Stick from power for about 30 to 60 seconds as well, and then plug it back in and turn that TV on again. This simple power cycle does fix most of the black screen problems. But if you're still having issues, go ahead and hold down the play or pause as well as the select button on your remote at the exact same time. What this is going to do is force a system restart without needing to access any settings. Sometimes the screen can go black because of an incorrect resolution setting as well. To fix this, go ahead and hold down on the back button as well as the rewind button and the up button for about 15 seconds on your remote. Your device will enter in a resolution mode and cycle through display options. Just select the resolution that matches your TV. If nothing else works, you could do a factory reset by just holding right and back on your remote for about 15 seconds and a reset window will end up appearing. Select cancel if you don't want to continue and then select OK if you want to reset the device. This is going to delete all your apps and accounts and settings though, so just keep that in mind. But that is it. You could go ahead and fix a no signal or black screen issue on a Fire TV or Fire Stick. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.